Life is not in our activity, not in our possessions, and not even in what we touch, taste, see, hear and smell. You are life. These are just accessories of life or ingredients of life. If you mistake the ingredients of life for life itself, one thing that will happen to you is, you will forget that you are the one who makes this life happen. Basic ingredients are provided for you from parentage, from the natural circumstance, from the food, water, air that we breathe and other ingredients. But you are the one who constructs this life. How significant, how impactful, how magnificent this life becomes is your making. You will forget this if you misunderstand ingredients as life. Worse, if you misunderstand accessories of life, like education, skills, home, relationships, clothes, automobiles, everything else. These are accessories of life, including your phone. If you misunderstand accessories as life, then you will become a pathetic story of endlessly running to add more and more accessories to yourself, and then because you believe it is you in some way, because you get so identified with it, you will not ride them, you will not use them, they will use you, you will have to carry it on your head. Most people are living like this. Their relationships, their homes, their money, their wealth, they're carrying it on their heads. How burdensome it is. And it's a ridiculous situation. This is like, suppose you have a car and you misunderstand the spare wheel as the car, then you will become childish, you will run around rolling the spare wheel thinking you're driving a car. This is what is happening to a whole lot of human beings. It's time we understand what we call as life is you in your essential nature. Rest are either ingredients which make this life or accessories which enhance this life. This is important to know this distinction. In this distinction is where life is. In this distinction is the possibility of taking this life to its ultimate possibility.